Hey, I didn't expect you here today, but the very first morning I turned on the BRAVIA 22 I just paused before reaching for the remote. Not because it was big or shiny, because the picture actually felt right, like the moment your eyes stop adjusting and start enjoying what you're watching. Before you go any deeper, take a moment to check the current price and stock. TVs this capable don't hang around at the same value forever, and hesitation is exactly how people end up watching prices climb or units sell out. This isn't for someone who shrugs and says it's fine when details look washed out, motion blurs in fast scenes, or sound feels flat. This is for the person who feels when something isn't quite right, when colors look muted, motion isn't fluid, or dialogue gets buried under the soundtrack. I lived with that too. I used to tell myself my old screen got the job done. Then I watched something familiar on the BRAVIA 22 and realized I'd been settling. That feeling of clarity, where contrast feels measured, highlights stay vivid without glare, and motion stays confident without blur, it's a relief. Once you've lived with that level of presence, anything weaker starts to feel like a compromise you outgrew. Use this TV for movie nights and suddenly every scene feels layered, like you're inside the story instead of watching through it. Sports look fluid and energetic instead of smeared through fast movement. Even casual streaming feels richer because colors feel intentional and sound feels anchored instead of hollow. And if you play on a PlayStation 5, the way this display handles fast action, depth, and responsiveness doesn't just look good, it feels like it elevates every frame. It's not about numbers on paper, it's about the feeling of immersion and presence every time you press play. While you're thinking this through, take another look at that current price and availability. Waiting for a better deal is exactly how people end up paying more later or watching stock thin out without noticing. If you're hesitating, that inner voice is just comparing this to screens you've grown used to. But once you experience clarity that feels real, motion that feels connected, and sound that feels anchored, everything else starts to feel like something you once tolerated, not something you want. One thing that surprised me was how naturally everything feels, not just sharper or brighter, but balanced. Highs stay clear without harshness, darks stay deep without losing detail, and dialogue sits upfront without fighting the soundtrack. You feel every scene come alive, contrast stays deep and true motion feels fluid and confident sound sits right with the picture. It makes lesser TVs feel distant. It's absolutely a meaningful step up. You'll notice weaker gear every session. At some point you stop cycling through comparisons and pick what already feels right in your gut. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and then regret every time you sit down and think, I wish this looked and sounded as good as it could. Check the current price and make the choice that finally matches how you actually want to watch.